Do you know that Explainer Video is an excellent marketing tool? Increasing your conversion rates, clarifying your product, and boosting your sales are just 3 of the 10 reasons why your business should have an Explainer Video. According to a recent survey conducted by Video Rascal, 85% of people are more likely to buy a product once they see an accompanying Explainer Video. People gain a better understanding of a product or service once they see and hear someone explain it. An Explainer Video helps you to connect better with your potential customer by explaining what your business can do for them and why they should choose you over other competing businesses. Explainer videos help you generate interest about your products and services. Websites with videos rank higher in Google searches. Explainer videos help increase web traffic. The average person retains only 10% of what they hear, but 50% of what they see, according to a study conducted by Wharton Research Center. A paper pitch is, let's face it, boring. Liven up your sales pitch by using an Explainer Video. Explainer videos help grab your audience attention. Videos are easily shareable. You may even go viral. Explainer videos help you showcase your personality. Do you want to get an Explainer Video made? Call 416-988-7660 or visit www.woolance.com.